Okay, good afternoon, friends. Or good morning, rather. And we will start with the same topic. Why should we study political theory? कल भी मैंने आपसे कहा था इक्वालिटी lot of options I gave it to you, and I will continue with it. And I hope that today I will be able to finish it up, and tomorrow, by tomorrow, day after tomorrow, when the period will be coming, we are going to have the chapter of freedom. So, why should we study political theory? Give me some minute time so that I can adjust the screen. Yeah, here. Why should we study political theory? We may have political ideas, but do we need to study political theory? आपको पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में पता है, सपोज, बट क्या ये जरूरी है कि आप पॉलिटिकल थियोरी को पढ़ें? इट इज नॉट मोर suited for politicians who practice politics. कभी कभी आपको लगता नहीं है कि पॉलिटिकल थियरी पढ़ के हम क्या करेंगे, एंड इट शुड बी डन by the politicians only, because sometimes they don't have any moral ground, right? They don't know ABC of the politics, but due to their selfish nature, they are able to win the vote on the many topics are there, uh, and they are the at the top boss, right? So don't you think that politicians को politics पहले पढ़ना चाहिए? हम politics पढ़ के क्या करेंगे? और for those who teach political theory, और जो या तो जो उन लोगों को पढ़ना चाहिए जो political theory पढ़ाते हैं, और for lawyers and judges who interpret the constitution and laws, या तो उन लोगों को पढ़ना चाहिए जो lawyers को, जो वकील है उनको पढ़ना चाहिए, basically जो judges हैं, जो basically they used to interpret the constitution and all, or for the activists and journalists who expose exploitation and demand new rights, और उन लोगों को पढ़ना चाहिए who expose exploitation, the journalists are there, and for the social activists are there. They should go for the political theory, and they know that what type of rights should be given to the as a human being. What do we high school students gain by knowing the meaning of freedom or equality? हमें क्या मिलेगा freedom और equality को पढ़ने के बाद? Sometimes you think also मैंने क्या, otherwise suppose if I said you are not basically lot of students are they are not interested in many subjects. They don't like subjects. A lot of people they don't like English, but they have to they have to read, they have to study English, because English is a compulsory subject. तो वो भी यही सोचते होंगे कि जैसे पॉलिटिकल थियरी किसी पॉलिटिकल साइंस को पढ़ना चाहिए, इंग्लिश उसको पढ़ना चाहिए जो इंग्लिश को लेके आगे पढ़ेगा। हम क्यों पढ़े इंग्लिश को लेके? हमने तो बोलना ही नहीं है, हमें तो पसंद ही नहीं है। बट if whatever you don't like to have to do the same thing, that is not accepted. कभी कभी आपको बहुत कुछ चीजें करनी पड़ती हैं जो आपको अच्छी नहीं लगती। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स से डिस्कस as people, with you people, that first of all, uh, political theories are relevant for all the above target groups. जिन्होंने भी पॉलिटिकल थियरी को कहा है कि ना इनको पढ़ना चाहिए, पॉलिटिशियन को पढ़ना चाहिए, जजेस को, judges should read it, lawyers should go ahead with the political theory, the political theory should go ahead by the teachers who give the lectures on the political theory, or the journalists को political theory, or the social activists को political theory पढ़ना चाहिए, right? But okay, these they are also a part and parcel of the society, right? So that is, these particular theory targeted these all section of the society, right? As a high school student, we may choose on the above professionals in the future, and so indirectly it is revealed relevant for us even now. But tomorrow it could be possible that you are interested in politics, Today you are not liking it, but tomorrow I saw many people they don't like mathematics. They don't like. They don't like English. They don't like history or social sciences. But you will be surprised to know that many people who were getting zero, absolutely ZERO, they are MSc with gold medal in mathematics. When you are able to develop your interest, you don't know. When you are going to develop your interest, you don't. It doesn't matter that if a person he don't know the ABC mathematics, he should not go for the mathematics. But he should know it about it. Now, what is the meaning of sums and equations? What is the basic knowledge should be there, by in every subject. That's why you have got a lot of six or five or six subjects in your 10th standard high school. Do we not learn mathematics? Although not a lot of us will become not become mathematician or engineers, right? Lots of people they don't like mathematics, but don't you study mathematics, right? And don't we learn mathematics? Although we will not become a mathematician or engineer, सभी तो इंजीनियर नहीं बनते तो फिर भी मैथ्स को पढ़ते हैं सब इंग्लिश में अच्छे नहीं होते पर वो इंग्लिश को पढ़ते हैं so why not political science? So it is not because basic arithmetic is useful to life in general. Secondly, we are all going to be citizens entitled to vote and decide other issues. To act responsibly, it is helpful to have a basic knowledge of the political ideas and institutions that shape the world we live in. Today you are okay. Today you are not adult. Today maybe you are minor. Maybe you are, but tomorrow you are not going to be minor. Tomorrow you are going to be adult. So how to vote and why should you vote? Why should you vote and what is the meaning of universal adult franchise? What is the useful of voting? Right? How do we elect? Which type of people, which person should be elected? You should know it, yeah, because you are also the part and parcel of the society. आप भी किसी को elect करने जा रहे हो and he is for the last the hell he is going to be the master of the 5 years. 5 साल तक वो आपको he can do each and anything. So you should know before this for the 5 years the person is going to be chosen. Is he worth to be chosen? क्या वो उसको उपयुक्त है कि उसका चुनाव हो? How will you do it? If you know the basic facts that what a politician should have, what a politician should have as a good quality, but what a politician do have as comparatively now. आजकल politicians के पास क्या हो रहा है? क्या है उनके पास? Lots of people they have got a connection with the underworld. They are criminals, but you have chosen them, right? So we should go ahead with the political aspect also. Secondly, we are going to be citizen entitled to what I told you for ideas and institutions that shape the world we live in. The institutions है ना ये society is an institution. आप society में कैसे रह सकते हो? When you don't know ABC of your society, you don't know. Your society is different. If you go to the others area, their society is different. So in the information society, it is crucial that we learn to be reasonable and informed. We are going to participate in Gram Sabha or offer our views on website and polls. You know, in now these days in every village they have got the Gram Sabha and Panch and Sarpanches are also there. If you have the knowledge about politics, about the politician, you can direct ask to those people That what you have, suppose a person came to ask the vote for you from you. If you know the politics and politicians properly, how they behave, right? You can ask them what you have done for the last 5 years, in which context you are asking for the vote. पूछते हो? कभी नहीं पूछा होगा क्योंकि आपको पता ही नहीं है. You have an illusion that this part is good, we are going to vote for this. What the goodness they have, you don't know. We will not be very effective, but we are thoughtful and mature. We can use the new media to discuss and express our common interest. Sometimes we simply express arbitrary preferences. What do you mean by arbitrary? Unpredictable. जिसको आप predict ना कर सको. आपको पता ही नहीं है, आपको prediction ही नहीं है के पास कि what type of the man he is going to be chosen for the coming general election or any type of election or Gram Sabha election at all. The person is unpredictable because you don't know about him. You haven't questioned him when he came to you for the vote. But how can you ask these things when you don't know that what is the meaning of political, what is the meaning of politics? And let me tell you one thing. Sometimes politics is a negative word. That's why a lot of people they avoid the term called politics. Right. Next. Yeah. As citizens, we are a bit like the audience in a music concert. We are not main performers interpreting the song and melody, but we set the agenda and appreciate the output and put in a view of request. Have you noticed that musicians perform better when they know the audience is knowledgeable and appreciative? Beautiful. Suppose you are listening a music, live music. You are an audience. Some, the people who are singing the songs. You know the music, and he is singing not in tal, not in sur, and you are listening him. Do you think that you will feel interesting to listen to him to go on? You will start putting. Why? You are not a musician. You are not a singer. But you know that this man is not singing well or this man is singing very good. Then you appreciate also by clapping. You appreciate. Sometimes you give the stand ovation, standing ovation to the performance. Why so? You are not a musician, but you know what the music is. And sometimes when the musicians their performance is very good, when they know that the audience is very much active in the music, they know the sur and tal of the music, and they are vigilant citizens. Audience is knowledgeable, appreciative. If the music is good, they appreciate, and also educated. What is the musician? What the musician will do? They will try to give their best to you. वो बहुत अच्छे से अच्छा करने की कोशिश करेंगे so that you can give standing ovation. आप कहेंगे वाह सर मजा आ गया आपकी शहनाई सुनकर आपका तबला सुनकर आपकी आपकी आवाज सुनकर आपका गाना सुनकर ब्यूटीफुल तो नेक्स्ट टाइम वो और भी अच्छा करने की कोशिश करेंगे same happen with the politicians also. If you know the politics, if you know the politician, If the politician knows that you are the best person to judge them, you are the knowledgeable person, you are the educated one, your performance will be judged by the people. If the politician knows these few things, and the politicians also know that you know what is the meaning of politics, then their performance for the last coming 5 years, it will be the best. Okay. So next, thirdly, last paragraph. Thirdly, freedom, equality, and secularism. Freedom means azadi, equality barabar, we are all equal, and secularism without any discrimination of religion. Without any discrimination of religion are not abstract. Abstract means existing in thought or as an idea but not having concrete existence. Please write down what is the meaning of abstract. Abstract painting देखा होगा आपने, abstract paintings होती है ज्यादातर by the painters, good painters. So what is the meaning of abstract? लिख लीजिए, existing in thought, जो आपकी सोच में है, existing in thought, और as an idea, जो आपकी आइडिया में है, बट कॉन्क्रीट वो बना नहीं है, एक एक छवि है आपके मन में, एक पिक्चर है, but it's not in real. That is called abstract. In our life, we daily encounter discrimination of various sorts in families, school, colleges, shopping malls, and so on. We ourselves have prejudices. What is the meaning of prejudices? Preconceived ideas. Sorry. Prejudices mean preconceived ideas. लिख लीजिए, आपके मन में पहले से ही किसी के प्रति धारणा हो एंड यू आर अनेबल टू चेंज इट, राइट? But they of different caste or religion or gender or class, if we feel oppressed, we want it to redress, and if they delayed, we feel violent revolution. And it is justified if we are privileged. We deny there is any oppression, even as the maids and servants struggle for dignity. Sometimes we even feel that our servants deserve the treatment they get. What political theory encourages us to do is examine our ideas and feelings about political things. You know, basically आप क्या करते हो जानते हो? आप अपने पे जज करके चलते हो. Suppose, you know, a person is very bad to everyone. A politician is worse to everyone. That person is very good to you. What you will feel? You will not feel violent. You will not feel aggressive. Because that politician, that particular man or that particular fellow, that particular individual, whosoever is he or whosoever is his profession is, he is very good to you. You will not be against him. Maybe that person is very much against every society. That person is against the society, but is good to you, you will be good to him. And in heart, you know it that this person is not good to all other people, but you will not be, aggressive against him because he's good to you, right? So that happens. You choose the person according to your own knowledge, but politics, राजनीति अपने पे नहीं, it chooses, it goes on complete society. A complete society के ऊपर दिखाई देगी, not an individual. But you know, we deny there is any of, or suppose and sometimes we support that person who is not good to all good at all to the others. We denied any type of operation he has done. We support him because he's good to you. That's why you support him. Sometimes we even feel our servants deserve the treatment they get. Servants on the servant's part, if sometimes you behave very bad, rude with your servant, you used to forget that he is also a human being or she is also a human being. Because you think that you're the master, you have got every right to treat themselves, to treat himself or herself because they deserve it, because they have not done your job. The treatment is good. What political theory encourages us to do is examine our ideas of feeling. Political theory क्या कहती है कि आपके ideas of feelings को परखती है, आपको बताती है which is good and which is the worst, which is justiciable, which is not justiciable. Finally, as students, we enjoy debate and elocutions. Elocution competitions, elocution का मतलब pronunciation. जैसा pronunciate करते हो उसे elocution कहते हैं. जैसे आप कई बार कहते हो player. It's not a player, it's a pleasure. It's not a treasure, it's a treasure. तो pronunciation को वैसे elocution कहते हैं. Competition, we have opinions about what is right or wrong. जब इलेक्शन होते हैं ना हमें पता चलता है कौन सा बंदा सही है कौन सा बंदा गलत है हमें किसको वोट डालना है किसको नहीं डालना है. Just or unjust, but not know whether they are responsible or not. Only when we argue with others, we realize we need to defend them and seek a response and argument. Political theory exposes us to systematic thinking on justice or equality, and that we can polish our opinions and argue in an informed manner. For example, एजुकेशन क्या करती है? एजुकेशन आपको शार्प करती है. एजुकेशन आपको बेस्ट पर्सनैलिटी देती है. एजुकेशन से आप कॉन्फिडेंट होते हो. एजुकेशन से आप बोल सकते हो. राइट. सो दैट्स व्हाई you are going to be educated. But and side by side you want to choose your profession, that is a secondary issue also. Right. So these all political theory sharpens you. आपको शार्प करती है. आपको तेज करती है. आपको बोलने में you can gain the confidence. You can defend yourself, or if you want to defend others, on which ground you are going to defend, you knew it. आपको पता ही ना हो कि आप किस बेस पे उसको किसी को डिफेंड कर रहे हो, किस पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को डिफेंड कर रहे हो. सपोज there are lot of India is a part multi party system which is having multi party, lot of parties are there, but at the end you choose one party. Why you choose one party or no party at all? Why it is so? Because you compare with the power of comparison. You compare it. After the comparison you choose one party. It means your political theory sharpens you. आपको sharp करती है. For the sake of common interest. Such skills of debating rationally and communicating effectively are likely to be a great asset in the global informational order. So these all things are very much there when you are reading a political theory, when you are reading politics, when what this man Abraham Lincoln said about democracy, by the people, for the people, not of the people. Still, you are doing it. Why you prefer? What the dictatorship is. How if you have the comparison between dictatorship and democracy, you will certainly choose democracy. Maybe lot of negative aspects are there, but still you choose democracy. because you know that there are some fundamental rights in democracy, but dictatorship में किसी तरह का कोई right नहीं होता है. Fundamental rights, when the fundamental rights part comes to you, you are very much active, you know. You are very much enthusiastic. You are very much knowledgeable because the question of right is there. But you know, in dictatorship, one man show is there. Whatever he is saying, that is a law for the country. But in democracy, you choose your own leader. That is the main reason. You don't have to go as a go for the dictatorship, but you should know the basic aspects of plus points and minus point of democracy and plus points and minus point of dictatorship. Then you choose. So कैसे choose करते हैं आप? Because you are educated one. After the education of politics, obviously democracy में भी politics and dictatorship में भी politics है. The political theory आप इन सबको लेकर चलती है. What you are going to do and what you are not going to do in politics. So tomorrow, my chapter is over, and you please do the exercise. Some second question is very important. Politics is more than what politicians do. Then third question, vigilant citizens are must for the successful working of a democratic country. Comment. It's a very important question. Third one, in what ways the study of political theory useful for us? अभी मैंने आपको बताया political theory useful क्यों है आपके लिए? How you can defend that political we should read politics or we should read go ahead with the political theory. Tell four ways in which political theory can be useful to us. Right? Do you think that a good convincing arguments can compel others to do listen to you? जब आपके पास बोलने के लिए कुछ होता है सॉलिड पॉइंट्स होते हैं तो क्या आप लगता है कि आप जब आप बोलते हो लोग आपको सुनते हैं राइट सो यू डू क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ third and fourth are very important. Do it tomorrow. I will start with chapter of freedom, chapter of freedom, and do read 1 or 2 pages, just 2 pages, page number 17 and 18 with Nelson Mandela's and Aung San Suu Kyi from Myanmar. We will discuss it by tomorrow. Till then, take care and have a nice time. Thank you.